Me and my friends are waiting in line, sharing one last blue camel. Don't have any money, but we're going out. Yeah, we saved up every penny. I'm smiling at him in the blue shirt and the Converse, but I'm thinking about you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is definitely for you if you are in need of cleaning motivation and inspiration to get it done. So today we're going to do a quick speed clean of my messy house. The kitchen is not too bad, but I've got like some washing up and stuff there. There's also a huge pile of laundry here. I did this in like 3 or 4 days, just spread out because I haven't been very well. But anyway, so lots of cleaning motivation for you guys. I've also got a Black Friday discount like link for you guys as well, which is going to save you lots of money. So without me rambling on, I am going to just jump straight into the video. I'm going to walk you guys around and show you all the before mess. It is a mess. So grab your cleaning stuff and clean along with me, or grab a cuppa and some snacks, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So as you can see, this is the messy before tour. My house was really messy, but like I said, I haven't been very well, so it really got on top of me. And I'm also going to be doing upstairs of the house as well, a couple of the kids' bedrooms. But the stairs have been on my to-do list for such a long time that I finally got round to doing them. And as you can see from my face, they desperately needed doing. Because what this little gadget picked up, you will not believe. So make sure to stick around and I will show you guys that in a bit. But as you can see, it's got a little red indicator on. That was telling me that my stairs were well overdue a good clean. So yeah, I cannot believe how well they came out as well and what it got up. But I am just going to crack on and get this cleaning done because I need to be ticking it off my list. I've got so much to do. So grab your cleaning stuff and clean along with me, or grab a couple and some snacks, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
To feel something different, but I'm still your dancing queen, so dance sweet. I type my name in the bar on a wall in a bathroom stall.
Hoovered the stairs, and then I went over it with the Jimmy vacuum. You guys will have seen that in lots of my videos before. I love this thing, it's amazing. Let me go and get it actually. This is him, this is my Jimmy. It's the Jimmy BX7 Pro and it's amazing. It's actually full at the minute. You can take the dust cap off. Can you see? You guys will have saw this in so many of my videos, but this is what it picked up from the stairs. How do I get it off again? And it also comes, which I love because you don't get this with many hoovers, is it comes with an extra filter. A lot of like vacuums. Ew! Look at that! And there's more in the cup as well, can you see? And I vacuumed my stairs before I use this as well. So that has got all hidden dust mites and all the nasties. It also sterilises your carpet as well. I love this thing. I rave about this thing. The last time that I shared this on my channel, you guys went crazy for it. It is amazing. They sell it on Amazon, but what I wanted to share with you today is they are having a Black Friday sale. So you are going to get a huge discount if you want to buy it. So usually it's $159.99, but they're selling it for $122.99. So you're getting like 23% off, which is huge. So what I'm going to do is leave that link in the description for you guys if you want to buy it. Only if you want to, you don't have to, but I would definitely, if you're thinking of getting one, I would take advantage of that discount because you're going to save yourself some money, and we all need to save some money in the run up to Christmas. But yeah, just on my stairs, can you believe how much of that nasty stuff is up? It gives me peace of mind, especially if you've got allergies as well. It is the Black Friday sale and it's only going to be available from the 20th of November, which is today, until the 1st of December. So if you are thinking about purchasing one, do it while it's on sale because you're going to save yourself a good 23% off, which is a huge jump, isn't it, from 160 quid to 123 pounds. It's a massive save. And yeah, they are really worth it. I absolutely love mine. It just gives me peace of mind. I know that it sterilises the carpet as well, gets all the nasties up. I mean, I hoovered my carpet and then a day later I use this and it gets all this up. It's just vile. And you can use it, I usually use it on the mattresses as well. We do that once a month now. Religiously, after the first time that I used this, I was shocked at how red it was, because you've got the little indicator on it that will turn red when it finds all those nasties that you do not want to be in your mattress or your carpets or any soft furnishings. So yeah, go and grab that bargain while you can. If you want to, I always say this, you don't have to. And you know, I would not be recommending a product to you guys unless I absolutely loved it. And I'm trying to do my best to keep my home as clean as I can, especially during all this cold and flu season. And talking of keeping the bugs at bay, I'm going to show you how I make my cleaning sprays. All it is half a bottle of water, and then I put like a little bit of vinegar in and a lot of washing up liquid, just as much as you can see, or as much as you like. You can't really get it wrong, to be honest, but it makes a good all-purpose cleaner and I do love to use it. I'm just using a little bit of the Astonish in the bin because it stunk, and that was just something that I keep in the bathroom upstairs. I'm also going to clean and just blitz this room really quickly. I've got some wipes for the toilet as well because I just don't have time today to be cleaning and running up and down getting more cloths. So yeah. I also got this toilet brush from B&M. It was £2.50. I also must say, please excuse the state of the bath. I am still yet to get all the grout off and regrout. But yeah, life is lifing and we're just trying our best over here.
Me and my friends are waiting in line, sharing one last blue camel. Don't have any money, but we're going out. Yeah, we saved up every penny. I'm smiling at him in the blue shirt.
I am also slightly obsessed with this spinach scrubby thing. It's so cool and I really loved using it. It made it so much faster. I've got these spiced apple Glade, they're not plugins, are they? You just pop them behind a plant and it makes the room smell lovely. I'm just going to give the floors a really quick wipe with one of these wipes, and this is the bag of things that I decluttered, like empty shampoo bottles and whatnot. That's the bathroom done. It did take me longer than I expected, but yeah, it's not perfect and it is a very old bathroom, but it's better than what it was and it's clean. So moving on to my son's room. The boys, they really do keep their rooms tidy and they're quite, you know, they're good lads. But yeah, I was just giving it a quick spruce up because it was Friday when I filmed this one and Rael's girlfriend was coming over. So I just wanted to go in there and give it a quick mom clean. You know how it is. Of course they're clean, but they don't, like, you know, it's not mom clean, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I was just going in and doing that for him just so it's nice and clean and tidy.
Yeah, I was here. Me and my friends are biding our time.
Some random marks on the wall. Told you I get carried away. Right, I'm gonna grab the Hoover and run around, but first I'm gonna go and do Hope's room. I also needed to change Hope's sheets. I just took them off this morning to wash and I'm gonna go and get some new ones in a minute and then put them on. She just does random bits of drawings and leaves them out, and this little like thing next to her bed is a bed that she made for her teddies to sleep next to her, which I thought was really cute. But yeah, I'm just going to give everywhere a quick wipe down. It doesn't take long to clean her room because it's so tiny. But yeah, I do love how pink it is. And I'm just going to turn this on while I'm cleaning just to air out the room a little bit more as well.
Me and my friends are waiting in line, sharing one last blue camel. Don't have any money, but we're going out. Yeah, we saved up every penny.
At this point I was on an absolute mission and I was sweating. I was so hot, so please excuse my bingo wings and my fake tan disaster. we're just going to power through, and we'll just, you know, it is what it is. I'm human, please don't judge. But yeah, I just wanted to get it all done, get the rooms hoovered, get everywhere nice and tidy, so I can just try and enjoy the weekend. I didn't realise that I would end up so poorly after this massive speed clean. So I'm glad that I did it, and the upstairs of my house is nice and tidy now.
You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young, pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take, but there's something you're trying to hide.
Oh, editing this bit made me laugh because I completely forgot that I left the camera in Rio's room, and I went off on a mission, hoovering the landing, taking all the stuff downstairs, and then came back later to realise I'd forgot. So that's the rooms done. I'm just going to close them. There is a bit of laundry on that like stool thing there, but I'm just going to leave it there for Rio to sort out because I was done at this point. I also need to get these sticky things off Hope's door. And yeah, this is me saying I need more arms as I'm taking stuff downstairs. And then gave the stairs a quick hoover, but the hoover died halfway through, and then I had to go on the school run and pick Hope up. So obviously that would have to wait for another day, but I did get it done with the Jimmy a few days later. Like you've seen, I just backwards filmed everything because of me being ill. So how cute is this? I'm just going to fill it up. I have been on the school run and got drenched, so look, atrocious. It's pitch black outside. I'm going to fill it up. And a bit of a random clip, but I just could not help but showing you this beautiful gingerbread glass house cookie jar. I filled it up on the Friday. By the Tuesday they were all gone. And I topped them up twice. How cute is this? I love this for like little treats over Christmas. And the last thing that I did on this day was try and get these like sticker marks off. It's left like a residue from when this was Rio's room, and he had like arrow stickers on, like, you know, like the superhero arrow. Yeah, so I'm going to try and get them off with this Scrub Daddy thing. I don't think it was working, if I'm honest. It took a lot of elbow grease, so I'm going to come back with some pink stuff with this, but I wanted to give you guys a home update. I wanted to show you, first off, the paint. We need to do the hallway, so I got this. It's called White Whisper. It isn't white. You'll put it next to like white. That's more of a grey white. I don't have anything white. But yeah, it's a White Whisper. It's like an off-white, but it's soft sheen, and I think this was only £15 a bottle from B&M. And then a can, paint can, tin, whatever. And then I've gone a bit bold, and what I'm going to do is I am going to paint our banister black. I know what you're thinking, I'm crazy, but what I'm going to do is I've got like some Pinterest inspo, so yeah, I'm going to do it. I think it's going to look amazing. And it's like is it a washable one? Was it? Yeah, it's washable, so it means that I can wipe it and the paint isn't going to come off. Because if you see the current state of the banister, we've been here 15 years now. Yeah, I'm going to be redecorating the hallway soon, and I cannot wait. I'm actually going to start it tonight after the school run, and then try and finish it off tomorrow. I'm going to record it obviously for you guys, so if you want to see that like hallway transformation, it's going to look so different because it has looked so scabby and vile for so long. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is go and put on one of these wax melts. I had to share this with you guys. These smell amazing. They're £2 from Asda, and even if they are so strong as well. Even if you just have, I held that up to you as if you can smell it. I do that all the time, honestly. I think I'm done. I think I'm done for the day. Make sure to check out the Black Friday sale and use that link if you want to buy one. You're going to save yourself a fortune rather than pay full price after the sale has finished. Like I said, it is from the 20th of November till the 1st of December. So go and grab a bargain if you want to. And I'm going to go now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.